Here we are, Monday, May 2nd, approximately 11:30 in the morning at Sweden Creek Falls. Your guides today will be Denise and Tim.
Hello.
As we head down the trail, we see blue markings literally every 20 feet, so hopefully we won't get lost. Let's find out. As we continue down the trail to Sweden Falls, the information provided by Buffalo Outdoor Center indicated it was a mile to the falls, so a 2-mile round trip. I guess you've got plenty of view of Denise's back. Let me go off to the side. There we go. A good bit of rain has passed. Current temperature 57 degrees. You'd think a fella like me would know what that is in Celsius, but I don't. So here we are at Sweden Falls, I think, Sweden something. We're above the fall, which is right there. I find this rock formation interesting. I guess I've never been at the top of a waterfall before. I'd say that's a fair assessment. See, here comes a creek. I just find this rock fascinating. It's created its own channel. Over the top. And I want to be careful because it's very wet today. I'm going to take some pictures from over there to give you a better depth. Did you fall again?
No, look at that grass stuff has little yellow flowers.
Beautiful. Yeah, there it is. Stuck, and answer must be that it flows underneath what we're looking at here.
Look at this rock that fell off.
And somehow resurfaces right here. And then there's a little creek, as we call it, Pennsylvania, heading on down.